In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box to your Tableau dashboard effortlessly. This process ensures you can effectively communicate insights with annotations, notes, or instructions right on your dashboard. So, let's dive in and explore how this can be done in just a few simple steps. First, if you haven't already, launch the Tableau desktop application. This is your primary platform for data visualization, and it's where you'll make all the magic happen. Once you're in Tableau, navigate to the worksheet you intend to enhance with additional text. Maybe you have charts and graphs all set and ready, and now it's time to add some accompanying text to clarify your findings or provide additional context. Next, you'll want to access your dashboard. If you don't have one set up yet, it's a good idea to create a new one. This is the canvas where you will integrate various visual components, including your text box. Here you can see all your available objects lined up. On the left side of the interface, you'll notice a section labeled Objects. This is your toolkit for adding various elements to your dashboard. Among these options, you'll see the text object. Click on it to select it. Don't worry, we're almost there. Now, take your text object and drag it over to the desired area on your dashboard. This is really a simple drag and drop maneuver, ensuring that the text is accurately positioned where you want it to appear within the overall layout of your dashboard. Once you've dropped the text object, a new window will pop up. This is your text editor within Tableau, where you can start typing the content you'd like to add. Populate this area with any relevant information, ensuring your dashboard viewers have all the details they need. Moreover, you have styling options available here that can drastically enhance the readability and aesthetics of your text. You can select different font types, adjust the size for emphasis or clarity, and even choose the alignment that best suits the design of your dashboard. Remember, the aim is to make the data as understandable as possible, so choose styles that enhance rather than overshadow your data visualizations. Finally, after you've crafted and customized your text to perfection, go ahead and click the OK button. This action confirms your additions and saves your changes, seamlessly integrating the text box into your dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully added a text box to your Tableau dashboard. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your data storytelling. Whether you're presenting data to colleagues or publishing to a wider audience, these added texts can provide value and enhance comprehension. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering Tableau and other data visualization tools. Until next time, happy visualizing.